Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make Afrobeat melodies inspired by Burna Boy. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So right here we already have a drum pattern. So the first thing we want to do is create our chord progression, because our chords is the foundation for good melodies in Afrobeat or pretty much most genres. Okay, now if you struggle with playing chords or you don't know how to play chords, you can get our MIDI chord pack, our mega bundle, which consists of different MIDI chord packs in it, inspired by Burna Boy, Wizkid, Rema, Arasta, Thames, and so on. Okay, but we're using the Big 7 MIDI chord pack, which was inspired specifically by Burna Boy. Okay, so we have a couple here, so just drag and drop in here. Make sure you already have a sound loaded. I already have this piano V2 by Arturia. Just drag into your piano roll. It works with any software. Okay, and then this is how it sounds. The first one. I like that. And then from there we can pretty much keep building. Okay, so next we want to build our counter chords, okay, or our counter melody. So copy this. Let me use a guitar sound for that. So come to first empty, create a clip. So paste this. Now for our counter chord, we're going to highlight this and then move it forward a bit. I want to hit with the snare. There is the rim. Let me take it to a high octave and see how it sounds. Bring it back down, but take these lower notes. Okay, that sounds good. Duplicate this. You can see you can pretty much, it's flexible. You can pretty much move it around. See. Let's move this up here and see how it sounds. This up here. So the next plugin I want to use is Vital. Let's record that in. Comes the first empty. Duplicate that. I think I may need to fix some notes. Then render and replace. So let's create another melody. I like using Vital a lot because he has lots of good sound in it. Yeah, that will be our lead melody. Do. So create that. Let's see how that sounds. You can see just very simple melodies. Take this to the beginning. So I'll render this. I like to render my sounds because it saves CPU. Although my CPU can pretty much take almost anything I throw at it audio wise, but you know, I'm just used to doing that. So I found this vocal sample from Splice. Let's see how it sounds with the beats. All right, so now let's add a pad or some ambient melodies to make it, you know, sound full. Yeah, I'm just playing it at this point, just freestyling the whole melodies. Okay, now time for bass. Now you can have 808 bass running here, or you can use a live bass or a bass that sounds more or less like a live bass guitar. So for bass, I'll be using this preset house bass in Triton Extreme house bass. Let's play some vibes and see. Okay, let's do something simple like that. Sounds, we make some tweaks in the piano roll. Change it from to half step. Let's see how it knocks with the drums. Perfect. So just like that, we have our melodies inspired by Burna Boy, and then we simply spread it out. Of course, you can add a few more things to make it even more unique, but with this, we're already on the right path to making really good Afrobeat melodies. And remember, less is more. I know a couple of songs that are massive hits that are simple as this, or even simpler, yes, and in Afrobeat, okay? So only add what you feel is missing, not just because you want to make it fuller, okay? If you can hear something that's missing, feel free to add it up. And remember, if you want to get this MIDI chord pack, it's available. The link is in the description. You can get the entire bundle that has so many chords inspired by many Afrobeat artists that are popping right now. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I remain Sir Classy. This is SC Tuts. See you soon. Cheers.